In this video, I'm going to show you how you can select a word, a sentence, paragraph, or even entire document in Microsoft Word. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so to select a word, it's pretty simple. Just place your cursor to the word that you wish to select. For instance, I just want to select the first word. So to do this, I'll click at the beginning of that word with the cursor and then drag the mouse up to the end of the last word or letter of that word, and as you can see, I've selected only this word. Should you want to select the whole sentence, it's pretty simple. Just go ahead and place your cursor at the beginning of the word and then left click on your mouse. With your mouse clicked down, go ahead and drag up to the end of the sentence or the whole paragraph if you so wish to select the whole paragraph. Should you want to select the text for entire document, it's also pretty simple. You can go ahead and just place your cursor before the first letter on your entire document and then press down and select while dragging up to the bottom of your document. Alternatively, you can select the whole document. For this, just go ahead and press down Control and then letter A on your keyboard, and this will select the entire document. And as you can see here, the whole document has been selected up to the end. So that's how you can select on Microsoft Word document. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.